Hello there, Sam Moser here. Welcome back to my series on the truck bed camper I built. If you haven't checked out the rest of the videos about it, go check those out. But this one's going to be a little shorter. There's just two things I wanted to cover. The first is how much the camper weighs, and the second is I want to show a little contraption I built that's hopefully going to make it easier to load this thing in and out of the truck bed. All right, so first let's get it loaded up, and then we'll talk about weighing it. All right, so what I built is essentially a little roller, and the whole thing is shaped to fit right in this groove, the back of the bed here. And the thought behind it is just that as I slide the camper in, it'll roll along these pieces of PVC, and that'll make it easier to get it in. And then once it's all the way back, I'll kind of jack up the front and pull this guy out. This will be my first time trying it, so I'm not sure how well it's going to work. Find that out now. And then I'll show you how I built this, but it's pretty simple. All right, so that went pretty smooth. It's in. As is always the case, it's easier with two people, but it's manageable. It's just me. Now I got to see if I can pull out that roller. That's probably going to be the tricky part. All right, so that probably wasn't the most stable way to jack it up, but it worked and I was able to pull out that roller. And overall, that worked pretty well. It made it a little easier than how I'd been previously loading it. So now I'm gonna get it all strapped down and take it to get weighed. So earlier this morning, I made a trip out to the truck scale and weighed just my truck so that I'd have a baseline. One difference though is that the tailgate was on when I had it weighed, and I take it off when I put the camper in. So I'm gonna have to weigh that separately so I can factor that in. Besides that, I wanted to keep everything else equal, so I stopped to get gas just before the truck scale, and I will stop again with the camper so that the tank is at, just about the same level. And I'm excited to see how much it weighs. Hello. All right. So I have all the weights. So the tailgate I weighed just now on the scale, holding it and then subtracting my body weight, and that came out to be about 50 pounds. So the truck, my weight minus the tailgate weight was 4,770 pounds. The truck with the camper in it weighed 5,140 pounds. So that leaves the camper at 370 pounds, which is honestly pretty good. I figured it was around 400. I thought if it was closer to 300, that'd be really cool. But so I think that's a pretty decent weight for what it is. The roller for loading it in and out of the truck bed, it definitely helped. Getting it out went much smoother. I kind of had a better feel for how to use it, and that helped. It's still a little clunky to do by yourself, but not bad. All right, thanks for watching, and thanks for all the positive comments about the camper, everyone. All right, see you next time.